Hi, I'm Priyanka. Oral health is an important part of our overall health. Today, I'm going to show you the NextLev Smart Smile Dental Flosser to help you do so. Let's take a look at it. The NextLev Smart Smile Dental Flosser removes oral germs, massages gums, and promotes blood circulation. This is the main body or main unit of the dental flosser. It comes with a one-touch power button. Gently open the lid. This is the place which holds the cleaning tip. And this is the water tank. The water tank has a capacity of 250 ml, which is quite good for a dental flosser. You can see lock and unlock symbols here, so place the water tank and fit it accordingly. You get 3 tips with this dental flosser. The first one is the tongue cleaner tip, which can be used to clean the tongue. Next is the U tip, which is great for the front teeth. The Jet tip helps in cleaning the inside of the mouth, that is the teeth inside. Open the water tank and pour the water as shown. The water tank fits well and there is no leakage. Snap the tip or nozzle as shown. This is 360-degree rotatable nozzle, so you can use it according to your convenience. Press the button to release it. Use the power button to start or stop the flosser. The first button is to select one of the 6 pressure levels. You can select a pressure level whichever is suitable for you. The next is M or mode button, using which you can select one of the modes from min, normal, pulse, brace or pause. It comes with a carrying case for tips, which I think is a great feature, otherwise one may end up losing the tips. This carrying case is attached to the lid and hence stays with the dental flosser itself. You get a USB-C charging cable with this dental flosser. Once fully charged, it can be used for 22 days when used twice a day. It comes with a powerful 1500 mAh battery. This dental flosser is small and easy to carry, and this carrying pouch, which is waterproof, makes it further easy. You also get a user manual which you can refer to. Let me show you the water pressure and water pulse at different pressure levels and at different modes. As you can see, the water pulses are changing and so is the pressure of water. This dental flosser is very easy to use. Hold it and use it as shown over your wash basin so that the water falls directly into the basin. It's a must-have for people with braces, plaque and bad breath. It can also be used in shower as it's waterproof. The entire body of this dental flosser is waterproof. The interchangeable tips further add to the convenience. People with sensitive teeth can also use it. I must say that the NextLev Smart Smile Dental Flosser helps in keeping the oral health issues at bay.